Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hear footsteps better in Call of Duty Warzone. So all you have to do is of course go back to your settings, and at the top go to the settings on your PlayStation. After that go to System Software, and System Software Update Settings, and you want to make sure that your system is up to date like mine. If there's any update you want to update it. After you've done that, go back and go to the sound option. Now on the sound option, you will see audio output. You want to make sure that you have connected your headphones, so like this, on your controller. And once you've done that, you want to make sure to go to volume, and you can go ahead and adjust the headphones settings here, the volume. And you will see here accessibility, audio focus if you have updated your PlayStation. So just make sure to press on audio focus, press on it and turn it on. And on the focus type, you need to choose boost high pitch because it will amplify footsteps, just like so. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.